As a college student that still takes handwritten notes, 5-star notebooks are my absolute favorite. I had these for years and this one has lasted me a total of 2 years already. So let me show you what my favorite things are about them. So first of all, they separate all the different subjects by these little folders, and you get a folder both in the front and in the back. So for example, I have a subject that I have a lot of paperwork for, so I just slide them right in here and they're together with all my other notes for this class. It is great, it is incredible, and I really like that the lines are very wide so I can write as big as I want to. And as you can see, there's little arrows going all the way down, so I love highlighting them when it's important information. And the last and best thing about this is that you have these little QR codes all in the 4 corners, and you can use the app to scan it and have all that information with you stored in your laptop or on your phone, which is incredible as a college student. So I definitely hope you guys check these out. They're definitely worth it, and I have to say it is a must-have notebook for any subject.